Stop! Nobody move! In the name of beauty. You are now a hostage of love for beauty. Stay still and quiet. You're about to find out about the new Influenster box that appeared at my doorstep. I have some sort of moisturizing potion with some chemical elements that are magical for your skin. So prepare and have no fear. I will open the box now. And the secret is out. It is the Alpha H vitamin B with copper, tripeptides, and chia seeds. Well, now I'm gonna have to reveal my identity to show you how to use this elixir. Well, hello. I don't know who that was, but hey, this is Nika and you're watching Love for Beauty. Okay guys, I've had this product and I've been using it for about a week now. It is the Alpha H vitamin B with copper tripeptide. This is pretty amazing. I love how it feels on my skin. It made my skin really plump and smooth and hydrated. So I'm gonna read you a very important the description here. Let's educate ourselves, okay? This is a vitamin B with 5% niacinamide, a silky powerhouse serum delivering a serious dose of B vitamins alongside complementary ingredients such as copper, tripeptides, and hyaluronic acid to help bring a more radiant appearance to even the most devitalized skin. Re-energize your skin and provide daily support against the elements. How to use, very important, listen carefully. Press 2 to 3 drops each morning to a cleansed face, neck, and décolletage. Avoid the delicate lip and eye areas, so don't put any around your lips or your eyes, you guys. Follow with your preferred Alpha H daily moisturizer. Since I got this as a complimentary gift, I've been using my own moisturizer, but of course you can head to their website and get their moisturizer as well. Right now I'm going to show you just how I apply it. Let's get the magical potion out. Look at that, it has a magical wand. How amazing. And it's blue. So I just do 2 drops. I just apply it on the side with the upward motion. Go up. You never want to go opposite way. You want to do like a little lift, facelift. Massaging your face. It already feels so nice. You want to put a little drop on your forehead. Still go like both ways in upward motion. Like this. Like a little face massage. Feels already amazing. And of course a little bit on your neck with your magical wand back. Both hands. Like this. I feel invigorated and moisturized and magicalized and all these things, you guys. This is amazing. I've been loving this product and I love that I have the chance to show it to you today. This was it from me and my magical matter from the Alpha H Cosmos. Definitely go to their realm and order some for your precious skin. Now, I will do my best to come back next week, but you should definitely like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when I'm out to get you. Now look in the mirror. You are beautiful. Yeah, you are, after putting this magical serum on your face. See you next time. Toodles!